Hello world! I love to discover new things, and when I come across a movie, a video, a documentary or a lecture that I find interesting, I usually save it in a playlist. I started to do this a couple of years ago, and now I have a quite comprehensive list of favorite videos that I like to watch every once in a while with friends or when I need special inputs. So far I shared some of these videos with close friends or people I work with, but I thought that you may enjoy them as well. So over at XYZ, which is Mode Zero Digital headquarters, I built a theater where you can watch all these videos. You can enter the XYZ theater over at modezero.xyz. Periodically you will find new videos that I personally select from this series of curated content. Enjoy and stay tuned.